This is Sweet Paroi and welcome to my channel Science Tech Knowledge. Welcome you to my new episode, and this episode will gonna be a special for the photography lover because everybody knows that the smartphone cameras gone a lot for today's, but the true HDR quality or the true high dynamic range image only be captured with the help of some flagship devices. Although the HDR features are available in our today's affordable smartphones, but the actual HDR quality images are also available with the flagship devices. And these HDR quality images cannot be possible to capture in our affordable devices due to lack of their larger sensor size, great quality image sensor, or the lack of wider aperture. But everybody wants to capture these kinds of dream image like the Google Pixel 2 XL or the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Huawei P20 Pro. But now, don't worry for the guys who are not able to afford these kinds of flagship devices, because the only app which is able or which is found on the Play Store named the Snapseed, and this app can help us to change or to turn a normal image into a true high dynamic range quality, because this is a huge and a very fabulous app, and there are some tricks features available in this app. So let's get started. Know that what is HDR. So HDR is a capability of image which helps to retain the details in the shadowed area as well as the overexposed area, so that the image looks gorgeous and very vivid in both shadowed as well as the overexposed area. So, and now the HDR capability is also available in the Snapseed app, and this is named the HDR Scape. So I told you the step-by-step process how can you turn your normal image into an excellent HDR quality image. First, you should download the Snapseed app in the Play Store or from the Play Store, and then you should be installed this app, and then use open the folder for taking the picture from your albums or photos, etc., etc. And then you go to tools, then the HDR escape, and then you should find that there are four different options available in the HDR escape, and these are the number one nature, number two people, number three fine, and the number four is the strong. And these four features are based on the what kinds of images are captured by you. So when you captured a landscape images, then you should choose the nature features, and when you capture any kinds of portraits or the images of peoples, then you should choose the people or then the fine and the strongs. You often or the rare should choose the option strong, because it it appears the high cost of grains in your images. So, and after the HDR scape is done, then you should go the option that is the tune image, and there are different options available in the tune images, and these are the warm, shadow, highlight, and the saturation level, the contrast level, the brightness level, and you should choose them according to your image and according to your preference. And now I choose you, or sorry, I show you and small screen recording so that you can help to understood or to understand the how the images or normal image turned into a high quality image. So let's get started. I hope you understand the details process of editing the normal photo to turn into a good quality photo. And please let me know in my comment section what was the experience of using Snapseed, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification at first, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more interesting video like this. And see you again in my next videos. Till then, you guys have a great day. Bye bye.